this video we will discuss formation of double and triple covalent bond. First of all, we will study the formation of double covalent bond. We must know what is a double covalent bond and how it is formed. A double covalent bond is formed by the sharing of two electron pairs. We will study the formation of double covalent bond by taking the example of formation of double covalent bond in oxygen. Oxygen is a member of group 6A of the periodic table. Oxygen has 6 electrons in its valence shell. It needs 2 electrons to complete its octet to get the stability, to get the electronic configuration similar with the noble gas. For sharing, each oxygen atom contributes 2 electrons. First of all, we will write the electronic configuration of oxygen and then we will see the formation of covalent bond in oxygen. We know oxygen is a member of group 6A of the periodic table. Its atomic number is 8. So we write the electronic configuration for oxygen. Oxygen, its atomic number is 8. Its electronic configuration is, in the K shell it has 2 electrons, while in the L shell it has 6 electrons. Oxygen needs 2 electrons to complete its octet in its valence shell. Oxygen is a member of group 6A of the periodic table. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Now we write the electronic configuration for oxygen. In the K shell, oxygen has 2 electrons, while in the L shell, oxygen has 6 electrons. Now we make the 6 electrons which are present in the valence shell of oxygen. This is the oxygen atom. We will show these 6 electrons with the help of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 electrons which are present in the valence shell of one oxygen atom, and we make another oxygen having 6 electrons in its valence shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now both oxygen atoms contribute 2 electrons for making double covalent bond. So we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the 2 electrons which are contributed by this oxygen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these electrons are contributed by another oxygen atoms. Or we can represent this structure as, with the help of 2 solid lines between 2 oxygen atoms, which show the formation of double bond between 2 oxygen atoms, or we can also write as O2. O2, it is a diatomic molecule of oxygen which is formed by the sharing of 2 electrons by each oxygen atom. In this way we get double covalent bond between 2 oxygen atoms. We can also represent this structure with the help of electron dot model. Now we will see the electron dot model for the formation of oxygen molecule. Here we will place 2 electrons in the first shell of this oxygen, that is in the K shell. We place 2 electrons, 1, 2. In the L shell we will place 6 electrons. So we write 6 electrons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way we place 6 electrons in the valence shell of this oxygen atom. Similarly, for this oxygen we will also place 2 electrons in its first shell. In K shell, 1, 2. In the L shell there are 6 electrons, so we place 6 electrons in L shell. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the electron dot models of oxygen atoms. Now for sharing, each oxygen atom contributes 2 electrons. Now we see how formation of double covalent bond takes place between 2 oxygen atoms. We will place 2 electrons in the K shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for this oxygen atom we also place 2 electrons in its K shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this way, each oxygen atom contributes 2 electrons for sharing to form a double covalent bond between oxygen atoms. I hope formation of double covalent bond in oxygen molecule is clear to you.